is Caroline Wilson. I'm a professor in health sciences at Chapman University, and I'm also the Team-Based Learning Collaborative Membership Chair. I welcome you to join me at my workshop, where we're going to discuss the TBLC Module Resource Portal and explore its hidden treasures. In this workshop, we'll review how using backward design principles can help us create valuable real-world learning opportunities for our students or our colleagues. We'll review how TBL utilizes backward design and explore how others have applied these principles by creating published modules which are found in the TBLC online website. The TBLC Module Resource Portal is really a treasure trove waiting to be explored, and that's what we're going to spend a lot of our workshop doing. I hope this deep dive will inspire you to create your own TBL modules, and we're going to spend some time talking about how you can do that. And this workshop, I think, is great for both newbies looking for more opportunities to develop their own modules, but also it's good for veteran TBLers who may want to expand their module development and possibly publish their own module. So join me in Orlando, and I hope to see you there.